do a little how-to tutorial on how to use Hoopla, one of our electronic resources here at the library. So I have it popping up right here because I use it a lot, but you could also type in your search bar on your device. And we're going to tap into Hoopla. Okay, so this is what you'll see when you log in. I'm going to go up to the upper right-hand corner and hit the gear. I am already signed in with my account, but this is what you would do when you first get the app and register. You would go to your library settings and check which library you are a part of and put your card in. Then it'll get you all set up with your library's catalog and how many library borrows you have per month. Each library has a different amount of borrows per month. So Chester, we typically have 6 checkouts a month. Sometimes we get more, but it's typically 6 per month. And this is also where you can change all your personal settings and your recommendation settings for the app to recommend what kind of books you might like. So as you'll see, this is the main tab when you open it. This is the borrowed tab. This shows me what I currently have checked out. If I keep scrolling down, it shows me what I previously borrowed. So it keeps a log from the past few months. Going back to the top, I'm going to hit the favorites tab, and this is where I save all of my favorites, either books that I've liked or books that I'm not ready to check out yet, but I would like to come back to later. It saves them like a bookmark. So these are broken into categories: audiobooks on top, ebooks, and comic books. Music is also in here, and so are videos and TV if you borrow those as well. So we are at you see on the bottom left corner, we are in the My Hoopla tab. I'm going to tab over to the video tab. This is where you can check out any type of movies that we have available. You can browse and scroll through, depending on what you're looking for. There's a sorting feature in the right-hand corner. There's also a genres feature in the right-hand corner, which allows you to browse by category and subcategory, some more detailed than others. There's also a tab for recommended based on your settings, and featured based on what Hoopla wants to feature at the time. You'll also see a changing banner at the top. I can wait for it to scroll, or I can swipe it to see what Hoopla is featuring at the time. Now up above, I'm going to toggle it from movies to television, so we can browse the TV episodes as well. These are typically by episode or season, so you can browse and decide what you want to check out depending on what you're looking for. This also has a sorting feature and the genre feature, just like movies did. All right, going back to the tab at the bottom, clicking over to music, same sort of setup, being able to browse, popular, recommended, featured, genres, very similar, just music this time instead of TV. And then tabbing over to the books tab as well. Audiobooks, comic books, as well as ebooks, all with the genre browsing capabilities and the filtering and sorting. So that's the basics of it. There's also a search function in the bottom right corner. You can see what searches are trending, or you can type something in if you are looking for something specific. So maybe I'm looking for something that has to do with jazz, maybe jazz music, or maybe a book on jazz. So I'm going to scroll and I'm going to pick Jazz Age, see what comes up. Oh, nothing in that search. Let's try Christmas, because that's coming up. And I'm going to tap on Christmas Angel. What is that going to show me? So that shows me an ebook. So maybe that's what I'm looking for. If not, I can go back and search again. There's also in the right corner at the top, you see an advanced search, so I can break down the search terms more specifically if I'm looking for something in particular. So that's the basics of Hoopla. I'm going to go back to my Hoopla tab and back to the gear settings. So you can see all sorts of different things here. And there's a question mark bubble, which helps if you are needing some assistance. So there's lots of different things. Hoopla is great about frequently asked questions. And if you're having any questions about how to use Hoopla or any questions about your account, just contact the library. This has been Miss Stephanie, and that was my Hoopla How To tutorial. I hope it was helpful.